What is double colon in Python when subscripting sequences? I know that I can use something like string 3 column 4 to get a substring in Python, but what does the 3 mean in some sequence column 3?
It means nothing for the first argument, nothing for the second, and jump by 3. It gets every third item of the sequence sliced. Extended slices is what you want. New in Python 2.3.
Python sequence slice addresses can be written as a start column end column step, and any of start, stop or end can be dropped. A column 3 is every third element of the sequence.
Sec column n is a sequence of each nth item in the entire sequence. Example. The syntax is so you can do in Python 2.
Explanation. SI column j column k is, according to the documentation, slice of S from I to j with step k. When I and j are absent, the whole sequence is assumed and thus S column k means every kth item. Examples. First, let's initialize a list. Let's take every third item from S. Let's take every third item from S2 column. Let's take every third item from S5 column 12. Let's take every third item from S column 10.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.